Hey, Mon here, and I am back with another Lego video. This time I have Lego Friends Friendship House set for you, and this set is quite large. The house consists of three floors. For this reason I will split this construction across 2 videos, otherwise it will just be too long. Before we get into it, please consider subscribing to my channel for more awesome content. I always appreciate likes and comments too. Now, let's get to it. I will start by bringing Emma and Olivia to life. Why not Andrea, you might ask? Well, that's because Andrea is in the bag number 3, so we'll just have to wait for her a bit longer. I'm sure girls will be fine in the meantime. It's quite obvious it's going to be a bike. But did you guess this bike will be pulling a trailer? And there it is. This trailer is for Olivia's many tools. We just need some wheels. And there is even a tool stand. Next up is a swing. This swing is hanging from a tree. What's cool about this tree is that colors of the flowers correspond with each of the girls, which you will see in a moment. Can you see that? We've got pink and blue and green and yellow and purple. There, the tree swing is ready. How easy was that? Now, let's move on to the main building. Friendship House used to be a fire station a long time ago, and now you can still see some remnants of the past use. Part I'm building now is a front yard and the entrance. Every house needs its letterbox. This vegetable patch grows yummy carrots for that little cutie. On this side, we have a kitchen where girls prepare their snacks. And we can already see a pizza in the oven. I love pizza. Do you? Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite pizza topping. Is that a popcorn in that microwave? Now the kitchen is ready, it's time to move on to the garage. And this is no ordinary garage. It used to house a fire engine. It's massive. These days, girls are using this space to house a hamster, which is quite funny since those cute little rodents are so tiny. And there it is, the hamster cage. But you have already figured it out by now. And this is a hamster wheel. How fabulous! It's very important to keep pets active. This part I'm building now is very important. You will see what it's for in the second part of this construction. And just like that, the sliding garage door is done. We're getting close to the end of the first part. If you want to see how the rest of the friendship house is built, hop on to part 2, which you should see on the screen here. I will see you there!